In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and utilize the HostGator affiliate portal. We'll walk through the essential steps to log in, find your tracking link, and ultimately share it to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. Whether you're a newcomer or someone looking to optimize your affiliate strategy, this guide will help you grasp everything you need to know. Let's start by tackling the first crucial task, logging into your HostGator affiliate portal. If you've already signed up for the program, you'll want to head over to the official HostGator website and locate the affiliate portal. Use your registered email and password to log in, ensuring your credentials are correct to avoid any frustration. Once inside, you'll find yourself at the central hub of your affiliate operations. Next, you'll want to focus on accessing the tools that make your role as an affiliate effective. Look for the section labeled Affiliate Tools or Tracking. This area is tailored to help you manage your unique affiliate activities. It's where you'll find all the necessary resources to succeed, including the star of today's tutorial, your unique affiliate tracking link. Your affiliate link is a special URL that tracks any referrals you drive to the HostGator website. It's your key to earning those commissions, so it's crucial to both locate and understand it. Scroll through the tracking section until you identify your link. It's typically displayed prominently to make your life easier. Once you've found your tracking link, consider customizing it, if needed, for different campaigns. This step is optional but highly beneficial. Customizing your link can help you better organize and track different marketing campaigns. It involves adding specific parameters or UTM tags so you know exactly which campaigns are performing well. This will give you invaluable insight into where your strategy is working or where it needs some tweaking. With your specialized link ready, you can start sharing it strategically. Promote your link on platforms you already have a presence on, such as your personal or business website, email newsletters, or social media accounts. The more visibility your link gets, the better your chances of increasing referrals and commissions. However, remember to present it naturally, fitting it into your existing content so it feels authentic to your audience rather than spammy. Finally, it's essential to monitor the performance of your efforts. Return to the dashboard within your affiliate portal to track your referrals and commissions. Viewing this data regularly can help you stay informed about how well your campaigns are doing and give you the feedback needed to refine your approach. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using the HostGator affiliate portal efficiently. Stick to these strategic steps and you'll be well on your way to bolstering your affiliate success. Thanks for tuning in and happy promoting.